Hey buddies, in this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can convert your Google Slides into PPT document, which is PowerPoint document. Let's create some slides here. Just click on blank. After clicking on blank, let's give some styles to it. Let's select some preset themes. So let's say just give a title, Google Slides to PPT. You're watching this video and take a add. Let's add one more slide. Let's add a text box by going to insert tab. We can just add text here. Okay, let's convert this slides to PPT, as maybe you can't see this, but I just want to make it clear for you. Just let me change the color of the text. Okay, I'll just go here and correct it. Now it is visible. You can just increase the size. Okay, so here we are. So just to convert the slides into PPT, go into file, click here and click on download. Here you get an option to Microsoft PowerPoint. Just click on it. It will give you an option to download it. So let's download this file as sample. Save it. Now if you go on the desktop, you will find this PPT document here, right here. So just if you open it, as you can see, it is opening in PPT. So in this way you can convert your slides into PowerPoint presentation or PPT file. So it's opening. You can see here it's pretty much easy, and even you get so many options while using Google Slides, as you can convert this into plain text or some PDF formats. You can see the slideshow also. I just go here and play from start. This is a slideshow of the PPT which we have created from on the Google Slides, and we downloaded as PPT. So thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell icon to get the notification of regular updates. Thank you.